get you some. Oh yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Tonight we're making Dad's hot pot casserole. Back in the 70s and 80s, this was classed as a hearty budget meal. Unfortunately these days, there's nothing budget about it. Now you can cook it any way you want. You can cook it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. You can cook it in your slow cooker. You can cook it in the camp oven. And I'm going to be doing it in my cast iron pot on the stove top tonight. Now I have 4 lamb 4/4 barbecue chops. I'm going to trim all the fat off from around the edges and throw them in my pot. Now we're going to add some peeled and chopped potatoes, a couple of peeled and chopped carrots, and some frozen peas. So back in the 70s and 80s, you could get a sweet and sour hot pot. Dad would always take one when we go camping, and we'd have rabbit stew in the camp oven every time. Oh, it was so good. These days you can only get curry or savory. So tonight I'm using the curry. So what we want to do is just get a jug with roughly a cup of water in it. Tip our packet in. Give it a good stir. The other thing I love about these too is they've got like these little dried veggies in there. And when they cook they all puff up and oh there's just nothing like it. I swear Dad used to just torment us with the smell. Oh my God, it smells so good. We haven't even cooked it yet. Now, once we've done that, we just want to pour it all over. Oh, get all those little dried veggies in there. Now, at this point, you can add chicken stock if you want, but Dad's always used water, and I am doing it exactly the same. So we just want to put the water in to just cover it. So I'll just mix it up a little bit. Now salt and pepper is optional. I've never been big on salt and I always believe you can always put that sort of stuff on at the end if you want to. But I am going to put a bit of pepper. Now I'm going to stick the lid on it, stick it on the stove top, bring it up to a boil. Once it starts to boil, we're going to turn it down. And we want it to a very gentle simmer. We want to simmer it away for approximately an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes with the lid on, stirring every half hour or so until the meat starts falling off the bone. Oh yeah, baby. So to thicken the casserole, Dad used to always use Gravox, but I'm using the Maggi Rich Gravy because I absolutely love it. So into a jug, I'm going to put half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 3 heaped tablespoons of the gravy mix. Mix it all together. Alright, so I've taken the lid off and I've turned it up a bit so it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, check that out. Oh mate, come on now. We want to pour our mix in real slowly, a little bit at a time. Mix it through and keep doing it until we've got it the thickness we want. So you can serve it with a nice chunk of damper or fresh bread with a big wad of butter, or I'm going to do what Dad used to do and serve it on toast. Mate, better get you some. Well there you go lovelies, Dad's hot pot casserole. You've got to give it a crack. Your whole family is going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night and I'll see you soon. Toodles.